In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify the email address used to send marketing emails in Hubspot. Verifying your sending email address is an important setup step for marketing emails. It helps confirm that you own the inbox you want to send from, and it can improve deliverability so your messages are less likely to be flagged or blocked. Make sure you have access to the email inbox you plan to use because Hubspot will send a confirmation message there. To begin, log into your Hubspot account and look to the top right corner of the screen. Click the settings icon, which looks like a gear. This opens the main settings area where Hubspot organizes account and marketing tools. Next, move to the left sidebar menu. Find Marketing, then click Email. This takes you to the email settings area, where you can manage how marketing emails are configured and sent. Once you are in the email settings, look near the top for the Configuration tab and click it. This is where Hubspot stores key sending options, including the addresses that can be used for marketing emails. Now scroll down until you see a section labeled Sending Address or Email Verification. The exact wording may vary slightly, but you are looking for the area that lists email addresses and their verification status. Take a moment to confirm you are viewing the correct address, especially if your account has multiple team members or shared sending options. When you find the email address you want to use, click Verify Email next to that address. Hubspot will send a confirmation email to that inbox. If you do not see it right away, give it a minute, then check your spam or junk folder, and also look in any promotions or filtered tabs your email provider may use. Open the confirmation email in that inbox and click the Approve or Verify link inside the message. This link finalizes the verification and tells Hubspot that the address is approved for sending marketing emails. After you click the link, return to Hubspot and confirm the status updates to verified. That covers everything you need to know.